Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today's video, I got a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you, so let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's fashion, anything Louis Vuitton. If you're a Louis Vuitton fan, you're definitely going to love it here. So definitely hit that like and subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So this item is going to be extremely hard to come by, and I was very lucky enough to actually be able to purchase it. I saw it on the website once, and like literally one time only, and when I was able to place in cart, it got sold out instantly. I swear to you, it was probably online for about 5 seconds and then it was instantly gone. And this bag does sell for a lot more over retail if you were to look at the pre-loved market, and I personally do not want to spend that much money on that, especially that much extra over retail. So when my sales associate messaged me last week or so saying that she had one in stock and she only got one, I was like shook. And she messaged me saying, do you want it? I'm like, yes, of course, please let me get it, because I didn't know that they were going to be able to get only one of them in stock. And so I've seen a lot of these pop up recently, and I was like, how are these people getting it? And then my sales associate said that they've been getting a couple here and there. And so her store only got one, and then another store in the area got one as well. So I was very fortunate that she messaged me to buy it. But anyways, that's enough rambling. This is the receipt that it did come with. So the item that I'm talking about is the Nano Speedy. I know, Jonathan, you got a Nano Speedy. It's like the cutest thing. I've only ever seen YouTube videos on it, so I'm super, super excited to see what it looks like in person. But in Canada, the Nano Speedy does retail for 1,380 Canadian dollars, and then just after tax, it's about 1,560, which is pretty cute, pretty good in my opinion, compared to like the Sac Plat, which I believe in Canada sells for $1,550, and then the Neo Noe I think does sell for just the same price. But in my opinion, I think the Nano Speedy is a little bit more versatile because you're getting an iconic bag in a nano size, and I'm like super obsessed with small bags right now. As you can tell, I do have the Palm Springs Mini. I will leave a link up to here if you haven't seen that unboxing. But yeah, compared to the Palm Springs Mini, the Palm Springs cost me about $3,050, so this one is like half the price. But in retrospect, the Palm Springs Mini is a little bit more versatile in that sense because you can wear it multiple ways. This one has a flaw where you can actually remove the strap. But anyways, let's get into it. I am super excited to unbox this. So my sales associate did give me the holiday ribbon, which I think is pretty cute. There's nothing else in the bag. It's just completely empty. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep the bow on this one because I don't want to ruin it. I know, I'm one of those people. So opening it up, just put this inside here. This one does come with a magnetic box. Oh my gosh, it is so small. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here and put the box down. Okay, so this is the, oh my gosh. Hold on, just give me a minute. Let me just take this all in. Okay, so this is the Nano Speedy. I am so freaking excited and so shook that I'm actually holding one. I did not think I would be able to get one of these anytime soon. But oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever. Just like right next to my Palm Springs Mini. Oh my god, it's like, it's so tiny. Anyways, so it does come with the Vachetta tabs, Vachetta handle, sorry, as well as it does come with a a Vachetta strap, like so. And then this one, I believe all of the Nano Speedies are made in France. Yes, this one's made in France. And the date code is TR4270, which is cute. And then it's just like your regular Speedy bag where it's just like a giant hole. But oh my god, this is like super, super cute. And then it does have one continuous piece of canvas where the one side is right side up and then the back side is upside down. But yeah, oh my god, I'm shook. I did not think that I would get one of these, to be honest. So I am very happy that my sales associate messaged me. Like, this bag is so hard to come by, and just the fact that I'm actually holding one is pretty amazing in my opinion. But yeah, this was my unboxing of the Nano Speedy. Thank you so much for watching. Question of the day is, do you think the Nano Speedy is worth the hype? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.